Hello, love, and welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Subbay Nandishanakas. Subbay is my name. Oh, I'm so proud to be out here, agutching, outside, so I can announce the show with honesty. Because you'll see, that is what we are known for. We are Subbay. Some people call us SASQUACH or Bigfoot. But we are known for Guayakwa Diziwin, honesty. So with all honesty and humility, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nanaboozhoo. Okay, hey, Boozhoo. Subbay, sweetie. Yeah, that was great. We found him. Subbay. Bigfoot. You know, that was a conspiracy theory for years. I know. People could never say if it was real or not. Well, today we're happy to announce Bigfoot is real. And he's on the show today. But, yeah. So how you doing, sweetie? I'm doing pretty good. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Boozhoo, everyone. How you doing? Oh, yeah. And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. How you doing, Nietzsche? I'm doing great. How are you? You know, I can't complain. Can't complain on this Tuesday. When am I going to complain? Nobody wants to hear complaining on Neo Geisha Good. On the second day. It is Tuesday. Tuesday, sweetie. 2 for Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. Ah, crap. You know what we forgot? What's that? Are we just going to bail on Tuesdays being, dig if you will, a picture day? Oh, that's right. Maybe. We used to do this thing, dig if you will, a picture on Tuesdays. On the Neo Geisha Good. And we'd analyze great art. You know, art by Paul Stanley and Hunter Biden and what have you. But I forgot to prepare today, sweetie. You forgot to prepare? I chose not to prepare. Okay. So let's see who's here. Hey, Shelly Ham's here. Boozhoo, Shelly. Sweetie, did you know Shelly Ham was here? Well, I had no idea. Hey, Shelly, what's going on? Can we give her a gold star? Yeah, let's give Shelly Ham a gold star by her name because she's first. And then, oh, Joseph, the big man is here, sweetie. Well, hey, Joe, what's going on? Boozhoo, Joe. Nice to see you here. Shelly says, you're a little early today. Yeah, you know how we are. Always on Indian time. Got to be there just a few minutes early. You know, Indian time. I thought Indian time was always being late. Well, that's what the racists want you to believe. Oh, yeah, sure. Why is it when it's late, it's got to be Indian time? Indian time is just, whenever time. I was ready. We were ready. I don't let the white man, I don't let the clock tell me what time it is. I tell that clock, what time is it? Oh, you know what? It's time to start the show. It's time to start the show. Are you trying to think of the Muppet movie or the Muppet Show theme? Yeah. Time to start. I just remember the last line. I know, it's hard. Do you remember Bugs Bunny? Overture, cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights. No more rehearsing or nursing of parts. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. Yeah, I remember Bugs Bunny theme. What's another good theme? Do you remember the theme for Bonanza? Bonanza? Bum bada bum bada bum bada bum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum bada bum 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 do 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada bum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum bada bum bum bonanza do do. Yeah. Welcome to Bonanza. And then I would show like a map or something burning. Bonanza. You want to take a call, sweetie? Oh, sure. What line, sweetheart? How about line 2? Line 2. Caller, welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You're on the air. Hey, man, what's going on? Hey, Hunter Biden, sweetie, it's President Biden's son. His pride and joy. Hi, Hunter. Hey there, Natasha. What's going on, my girl? Hey, Hunter. What can I do for you? Man, I wanted to come share my paintings. Gonna share my paintings on Dig If You Will Tuesday. Dig If You Will Picture Tuesday. Yeah, we're not doing that today. I forgot to get some pictures for the show. Well, you can share my pictures, man. No, we only show art on Dig If You Will a Picture Day. Well, I'm an artist. Didn't you watch the news? I'm an artist. I had my own art show, man. It was great. Yeah, I'm sure it was, but no, I don't show art from crack addicts. Come on, man. What do you think? You think Michelangelo never smoked a crickety crack? Yeah, no, I don't think Michelangelo smoked crack. Oh, come on, man. How do you think he did all them sculptures? Yeah, he had to have the crickety crack. Crickety crack, crickety crack. Have you been smoking crickety crack this morning, Mr. Biden? I'll never tell. Come on, man. Show my pictures. All right. Let me scoot you over. Okay, man. Here's some Hunter Biden paintings, you guys. Paintings. Yeah, man, look at that. I call that little blue and brown and yellow dots. Little blue and brown. Yeah, that's brilliant. I got $75,000 for that. $75,000. Yeah, man, that one wasn't even one of my expensive ones. Pull up the other one. Oh, this thing that looks like it was something... You know, like when people kill people and then they want to carve up their body in the shower in a hotel. Man, how did you know? Yeah, I've learned about you, Hunter. Yeah, that's real great, Hunter. I call that one shower drain. Shower drain. Yeah, okay. Come on, man, I'm an artist. You're a lot of things, Hunter Biden. But I don't think I would call you an artist. Man, I paint the paintings. I sell the paintings. I smoke the crickety crack. Well, okay, you got me. I guess that makes an artist. Well done. Congratulations. Hey, how's that old man of yours? Who? President Biden. Oh, man, I don't talk to that old codger. But we got a joint checking account. You have a joint checking account? Yeah, man, he just keeps on putting money in my checking account. But then once in a while, he'll spend money on my checking account. I'm like, Daddy, I need that cash. Gotta buy me some crack. Gotta buy me some crickety crack. Sweetie, I just bail. Okay, Hunter, I gotta do a show here. This is a show about Ojibwe language and culture. It's not a show about crack and weirdo sons of presidents. Hey! Can you do me a favor? No. I want to teach Ojibwe word day. All right, hang on. Today is the Ojibwe word of the day. Neogisha good. What? This is why I didn't want him on the show. I know, just Neogisha good. It means the second day or Tuesday. Neo-Geisha good. I'm just about done seeing everything now. Neo-Geisha good. Now I'm going to go smoke some crickety crack. Oh, that's some good crickety crack. All right, Joe, I got to go. Or Hunter, whatever your name is. All right, man. Hey, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? We don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. What? I will see you again, Hunter. Well, all right then. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hey, you knew how to say it. I know. I was just playing, man. Hey, Gigawabamin. Minowa. Natasha. Well, Gigawabamin, Hunter. You have a great day. All right then. He's got a drug problem. I know I should be more compassionate, but he gets on my nerves. He can't help it. He had a bad childhood. Boozhoo, Papa Wagosha's back. Hey, Papa Wagosha's here, sweetie. Well, hi, Papa. How's it going? And always learning. Boozhoo, always learning. Grassroots says, Hoka hey, Hoka. That's what I say, sweetie. Yeah, you sure do. Hoka hey, Boozhoo. And Kaya Thunder. Dun 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 dun. Kaya Thunder. Anamikika. Thunder. Boozhoo, Kaya. She's laying down some Ojibwe. Boozhoo gakina mino giga jeb minowaben. Boozhoo. Kaya Thunder. She says good morning, sweetie. Good morning, Kaya. Bottom, bum, 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 bottom. Grassroots says, nice wallpaper. We got good wallpaper, sweetie? Yeah, I think so. It's not really wallpaper as much as, yellow cheap paint. Boy, the last people who lived here, you can tell they just bugged out. Somebody said, we got to paint that back room. I'm like, whatever. Give it one coat of yellow. And you can still see, there used to be a little girl who lived in this back room. Why do you say little girl? Because you can see, where there's little stencils and stuff of live, laugh, love. There's no dude that's doing that. Yeah. Live, laugh, love. Why don't you mind your own business? Yeah. Don't tell me how to live. Live. No. I think I'll die, thank you. Just to spite you. Don't spite people. Anyway. So Bigfoot. Subbay. He introduced the show today. That was kind of cool. Yeah, I love Subbay. Subbay, you guys. What a mystery. SASQUACH. Bigfoot. And it's really, some stories they call him Gitchy Subbay. Great, whatever Subbay means. It sounds a lot like Miss Subbay, giant. Great giant. And in the 7 grandfather teachings, Subbay, he represents honesty. Eagle, he represents love. Sweetie, he represents love. Like you and me. Yep, like you and me, baby. But Subbay, oh wow. And I was watching this video the other night, and this totally reasonable guy, he had taken his cell phone out to the woods there, He had his family back in the car, and he was just scanning all these downed trees. And he was a Bigfoot believer. And he goes, man, people around here know there's a phenomenon in the woods here that knocks over these trees. This is not a localized tornado. Huge trees, just the biggest trees you can think of. Knocked over, sometimes put up into what looks like teepees. And he goes, yeah, we've seen Bigfoot prints on our path or whatever. And later on, when he was looking at the video, he caught something way in the background. And it looked like Subbay. And he spent like an hour talking about Subbay. And I didn't really think about it. It's weird I didn't consider this. With all the, everything I've learned about how the media will censor certain things when it comes to, the jibbity jab. the, there's certain subjects that people on YouTube know you can't say out loud. But it never occurred to me to suggest, like with UFOs and stuff like that. There's a certain narrative that'll allow people to, ancient aliens that built the pyramids. That's fine. If you say, no, that's a disinformation campaign to hide the shape of the earth, that gets censored. In theory, I don't know. But he goes, all information about Bigfoot is selected and monitored, and we're being, they've hidden, just like we all kind of know about this. Everyone's seen pictures of giant skeletons, and then they go up to the Smithsonian, and Smithsonian locks it up, never mentions it again. We don't have museums about giants, but we do have museums about dinosaurs. And dinosaurs are fake, bones don't survive millions of years. But, it's all theoretical. But Subbay, he goes, people say, oh, well, how come they've never found a body, a dead Subbay body? And he goes, you think they haven't? For sure they have. They don't release that information. Government comes and covers it up. When they find those skeletons, they go, oh, look, a giant. Maybe it was a Bigfoot. Maybe it was Subbay. But this guy, he goes, after all my research and stuff, and he goes, I know I have nothing to gain because I'm a professional, I'm a financial advisor, all this stuff. But he goes, Sasquatch is real. And he's different in every different territories. The farther north you go, the bigger he gets. Sometimes he's black, sometimes he's orange. And we say he, but it's like, he goes, there's, tribes or clans of Subbay. Because they're not, they're not like deer. I mean, they are in a way, but they're way more intelligent. And he even used the word spiritual, which rang true to what I've heard Native people talk about. Like, oh yeah, Subbay is a spirit. Like, what do you mean? He's a spirit. But the thing is, just like everything else, there's an active campaign to withhold information. And they brought up Indian people again. They go, when the Europeans came over, Indian people introduced them to a lot of animals that were here that they didn't have. The moose and beaver and whatever. Exotic animals. And Europeans believed in every one of them except Subbay. Because, the totems, they have all these different kinds of animals. They're like, yep, giant turtles, sure. Grizzly bears, eagles, turkeys, But then for some reason, they go, oh, no, it's Subbay, that's not real. There's not really a race of people, animals. And he goes, the other thing, he goes, it's a campaign to hide the truth. When Discovery Channel gets involved, they put out the dumbest, most idiotic, least credible people in the world, and they say, oh, here are the Bigfoot experts. And they'll say, oh, this is Gigantopithecus. It's a type of gorilla. And this guy was like, no, it is not a gorilla, you guys. And there are tens of thousands of eyewitness accounts, testimonies from people who've seen Bigfoot, Subbay. And in the Ojibwe way, in the 7 grandfather teachings, the animal known as Subbay represents honesty. You know, it was an Anishinaabe value that would say, you know, there's no greater compliment than somebody who would say, look, there goes an honest man. That guy, you can trust him. He is honest. And to be honest was really important. Let me shrink down this little thing here. Huh, sweetie. You tell him, baby doll. 7 values. You know, sort of like the buffalo is respect. Makwa, the bear, is courage, and the wolf. And beaver, I think beaver is wisdom. Yep, wisdom. Turtle is truth. You know, so what is the truth about Bigfoot? Anybody out there still believe in Bigfoot? I believe in Bigfoot. Yeah, I know you do. Well, I do too now, because he's on our show. You know, what are we going to say? No, he doesn't exist. I think if he asks to be paid, then we start saying, well, I don't even believe in you. Okay. All right, what else we got going on here today, sweetie? You want to check another word? Minawana di Bishka. Happy birthday. Today's birthdays. I think old Adam Joseph. Was that who it was? The little girl's birthday yesterday? Ellie? Ellie, I didn't have the words up yesterday. These are the words for, so, you know, sometimes people just say, Mino Dibishkan. Good birthday. But to be happy, Ni menwaindum, I am happy. Menwaindum is happy. But when you say, like, happy birthday, you would say, Minawana gozi. Minawana gozi. Like, have a happy birthday. Minawana gozi dibishka. Minawana gozi dibishka. Minawana gozi dibishka. Minawana gozi dibishka. And there you go. You know what that made me think of? What's that? Marilyn Monroe. When she was singing to the president, happy birthday, Mr. President. No. Yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. President. And he's all like, hey, do you mind? My wife is sitting right here. I don't want to make her mad and have her somehow arrange to have the back of my head blown off. What are you, crazy? You want to get me shot? And this is a story of John F. Kennedy. President. Should I tell the JFK story? You have a JFK story? Not really. But this is all I know. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a young man named John Fitzgerald Kennedy. Is that his middle name? I think so. John whatever. John F. Kennedy. And so he wanted to be the president. I was like, oh, wow, I really want to be that president. I know. I'll sell my soul to the devil. And so he did a pact. And the devil sent the Freemasons to John F. Kennedy's door. And they said, look, man, we'll make you president of the United States. You'll be the first Catholic president. But you got to join our secret society, the Freemasons. Some people call us the Illuminati. And, you know, we kind of run the Vatican and that. So, you know, we'll get one of our own in there to be the king of America. And John F. Kennedy was like, yeah, that sounds great. Because tell you what, we'll even throw in a movie star you can date. And John F. Kennedy went, oh, gee, I don't know. I already got a wife. He goes, she'll never know. And so the Illuminati put him into politics. But then one day, John F. Kennedy goes, you know what? The very term secret society should be abhorrent in a free country or whatever. He gave a famous speech. It was the same speech when he announced that we would go to the moon. He said he was gonna out these secret clubs and organizations that should have no part, even though it was a secret organization that got him into power. I don't know why he did that. Maybe he was a good man after all. But then he said, we will go to the moon and do the other thing in this decade, not because it is easy, but because it is hard. Meanwhile, the Illuminati are like, oh, this stupid Catholic. I told you. What did I tell you? And they're like, okay, well, we got to shut him up. He's going to get NASA to have to pretend to fly to the moon. So they had a birthday party. And they say, I know. We'll have Marilyn Monroe pop out of a cake and just sing all flirty like with the president. So the day comes and it's his birthday. She pops out, does the famous song, Happy Birthday, Mr. President. I don't know if she spoke Ojibwe, but if she did, it would sound like this. Minawani kozi tibishka. You know, whatever. And, yeah. And that made his wife, Jackie Onassis. Was she Jackie Kennedy when they were married? Or when he was alive? You would think that'd be something I would know, but I don't know. Because that's messed up if she marries the President of the United States and then doesn't take his last name. No, I want my individuality. I don't want to be overshadowed by John F. Kennedy. But anyway, so she sees this, all this going on, and she's like, what? Okay, that sucks. I'm going to get the CIA here. And because she's the president's wife, she can boss around people too. She's like, hey man, I've had it up to here with that cheating dog of a husband. Yeah. To the moon? I'll send you to the moon, JFK, is what Jackie Onassis said. And then, so she arranged to frame a guy who was just reading books in the book suppository. That's how you know this is a BS story. What's that? Because they'll have stuff in the story that makes no sense. The shooting was from the book suppository building. You mean a library? No, it's just a book is where you deposit books. That's not a thing. You know, even back in the old days in Dallas, Texas, or wherever that happened, they didn't just have buildings that's their sole focus was to return library books. What are you talking about? It makes no sense. But anyway, so he was in a book depository building, and he shot him, just perfect shot in the back of the head as President drove by in a convertible. And Jackie O was all covered in blood, and she was like, yeah, I can taste your cheating blood. And she cackled and laughed, because she knew that she would, from then on, become the queen of America. And this is a story of how Jackie Onassis became queen of America. That's a good story, sweetie. Oh, thank you, dear. And Minawanagozi Dibishka. Happy birthday, John F. Kennedy. Is it JFK's birthday? Yep. Nah, I have no idea. Is it anybody's famous birthday? Is there any celebrity? We should have done that. Should have done. Today is a celebrity birthday. Let's just say it is. Today in celebrity birthdays, the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo would like to say happy birthday to Hitler. No. Yep. Minawanagozi Dibishka Adolf Hitler. No, his birthday is on 4/20. Why do you know that? Because I'm a white supremacist. Can you believe this? She knows when Hitler's birthday is. Well, I don't know. I just learned that because it's also 4/20. Oh, yeah. I actually know it too. All right. It's not really Adolf Hitler's birthday until April 20th. So just calm down, you stoners. You can celebrate Hitler's birthday on 4/20. Adolf. What can we say about Adolf Hitler today, sweetie? He's a good painter. Yep, see, if we had any pictures to show. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? Adolf Hitler's online too. What? Really? All right. Mr. Adolf Hitler, welcome to the show. You're on the air.
Jawohl! Hello, Nanaboozhoo! It is I, Adolf Hitler.
Well, hello, Adolf. I was going to wish you a happy birthday, and then we remembered your birthday's not till,
April 20th.
Yeah, April 20th.
Yes, at the 420. The hippies, they love to celebrate my birthday every year. They all say happy 420, but I know they are saying happy birthday, little Adolf.
Yeah. Huh.
Say, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah?
Oh, are you going to show some of my paintings today?
No. I didn't take the time.
But I thought you loved my artwork.
I do. I think you're a great artist, and I think we've shared a lot of your paintings. You know? But, hey, I have a question for you.
Oh, please, go ahead. Ask me anything.
Was it really Nazis that started NASA?
Oh, you know. Yes, I cannot lie. I cannot tell a lie. I am like George Washington.
Yeah, you're like George Washington. So the Nazis did start it?
Yes, as Werner von Braun. That's not even a conspiracy theory. We started NASA. I'm very proud. You know, we went to the moon.
Yeah, no, you didn't.
Yes, we did. We sent up, first we sent up Neil Armstrong.
Yeah.
And then, after him was Buzz Aldrin.
Yeah.
And then, 10 other guys nobody knows.
Yeah, nobody knows because nobody cares. Nobody believes the Nazis sent people to the moon starting in the late 60s and ending in the Nixon administration.
Oh, no, you cannot say that. You are a conspiracy theorist. You know, sometimes I just want to jump in my spaceship and fly to Antarctica.
Yeah, that's another one. Did you guys invent, what's that called, flying saucers?
We did not invent them. We reversed engineered flying saucers we found, silly. You silly goose.
Yeah, okay. What else was I going to say? Oh, is it true you once had a love child?
I once had a love child not long ago. Would you like to see a picture of my son? I just had a little baby Adolf Hitler Jr.
Really?
Yes, I'm my little baby. He's my pride and joy.
Well, who's his mom?
Oh, she was some gal I snagged at a powwow.
Oh, really? You snagged a girl at a powwow?
Yeah, she was a pretty Anishinaabe. She was a pretty Anishinaabe. An Indian woman.
Yes, she sure sounds lovely. Yeah, sure. I'll take a look at your picture.
Here's a picture of little baby Hitler. See, he goes to Sieg Heil.
You just clipped this off of the Google, didn't you?
I did. I make joke.
Okay, hang on.
If I had a son, I should hope he would be, he would say, Heil Papa.
Yeah, Heil Papa. So this is what your offspring with an Indian woman would look like?
Yes, he would be a little cutie, but he would say, Heil Papa.
Okay. Anyway, congratulations. I don't really... So is this your baby or not?
No, it's a joke.
Oh. Anyway, what can I do for you today?
Well, I was watching your show, and I wanted to call in, and I wanted to teach the Ojibwe word of the day.
Okay. Well, we were talking about Bigfoot. Subbay.
Oh, SASQUACH in Deutschland. In Deutsch. What's our language called?
Deutsch, I guess? Dutch? I don't know. What do Germans speak?
German? Yes. In German, we say SASQUACH.
Oh, really? Is that a German word?
Maybe. But yeah, Bigfoot. We have Bigfoot in Deutschland.
Really?
Oh yeah, out in the country, there's many eyewitness accounts of the large wild man in the woods.
Yeah. Do you believe in Bigfoot?
I do.
Yeah. Anyway, so our word was Subbay.
Subbay, SASQUACH, or Bigfoot. And then what is that long word?
Guayakwa Diziwin. It means honesty.
Guayakwa Diziwin. Oh, yes, honesty. It is very important. You must be honest.
Yep. You should never tell a lie.
Yes, that is true. That is why I want to come clean on your show, Nanaboozhoo.
What?
I have not been honest with the people of America.
What do you mean?
All this time I've been pretending I was Walt Disney.
You're Walt Disney?
Yes, it's true. I was not honest. I feel bad now.
Don't feel that bad. You're both dead.
Okay. Hey, how do you say, I will see you again?
We say Gigawaba Min. Minawa.
Well then, Nanaboozhoo, let me say, Gigawaba Min, Minawa.
Okay, Gigawaba Min, Minawa. Fearer.
And to you, Natasha, Gigawaba Min,
Minawa. Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Adolf. Wait. Adolf Hitler, sweetie.
Yep, he watches the show.
Such a mystery, that guy.
I know, huh?
You want to hear a song? Or do you want to... Should we go back to, what's his name? Subbay? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let Subbay introduce the song. And then up next, if you want to come up.
Yeah, sure, I'll get up there.
Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. And this is a song by the rockstar cartoonist, huh? What's this called? Wake and Bake. Oh, right. Anyway, this is Subbay. And I will see you again. Sweetie, you want to teleport me to the kitchen? I'll get us some coffees.
All right. I'm really scared for your coordinates. When to teleport?
Miigwech Bizendawiag. Make it so, number one.
Nah. Hello, love. Subbay Nindigen cause. Subbay is my name. Subbay. Some people call me Bigfoot. Some people call me SASQUACH. But in the Ojibwe language, I go by Subbay. And did you know sometimes, maybe some of you feel this way too, that nobody believes in you? Nobody believes in me. If nobody believes in you, you just remember this one thing. Subbay, he believes in you. I believe in you. And I believe in this song. This song is by the rockstar cartoonist, Michael Lyons. The song is called Wick and Bake. What am I doing? What am I doing?
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain skate. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around. You'll never forget it. One day when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, sometimes Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
Sometimes, Boozhoo! How's it going? I just grew.
Hey, yeah, you're like Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah, like took that cookie and got big. Talk about going down the rabbit holes. Hey everybody, Boozhoo! Natasha, named her cause. Natasha is my name. Name and Wyndham. G-A-I-N, Omanugum. And I'm happy to be here today with the Boozhoo crew and Nanaboozhoo and Michael Lyons. That's a cool song, by the way. Hey, thanks a lot. I like that song. Sometimes. Speaking of 420. See what's going on down here with the Boozhoo crew. Hey, there's Missy. Boozhoo, Missy. Cousin Missy's here, sweetie. Okay, Boozhoo, miss. And Missy says, some say Bigfoot is in the missing link. Yeah, I've heard that too. It was somehow between gorillas and human beings, and like one offshoot just stopped evolving. I don't really believe in evolution like that. I mean, I believe in things evolving over time, adapting to stuff, like getting heavier hair in cold climates, whatever. But I don't believe one species turns into another, like they say in school, like they teach the children. La, 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 do, do, do. Can you imagine, like in evolution, the first generation of monkeys to have a baby half human? Oh no, my baby's deformed. Look, he's got weird looking feet. He didn't even have a tail. Curse you!
evolution, how's my little baby ever going to find someone to love him? He's a freak. He's mutated. So, if evolution was real, somehow the mutated offspring, the first, fish to grow legs also had to find somebody to mate with and then have more offspring with that ugly fish with the mutated legs that walks out of the lake. Oh, look at me. I'm a walking, air-breathing fish. I evolved. Yeah, right. La, la, la. Robin. Hey, just Robin. Welcome back to the show. Was it Robin that just signed up? Yeah, but we shouldn't talk about that. Robin, thank you so much. We won't say what you did, but we appreciate you. Robin says, if evolution was true, why are there no apes in some stage of evolving? Yeah. That's always the issue. You're like, where's the missing link of any species? Where's the half fish, half lizard? Oh, that is what a lizard is. Yeah. You know what I heard is that evolution's real, but it happens in one generation. So there's a big bang. Your mom and your dad get together, they go out for dinner, and after the big bang, a little tadpole, swims through the primordial ooze and impregnates fertilizes an egg. That egg turns into a fish, and then a lizard, and then eventually a human being, and then gets born. Ta-da! Evolution! The Big Bang is right. Your mom and dad, somebody got big banged. Anyway, that's kind of gross. I shouldn't have said that. They ain't from Cleveland. The Flat Earth Pals, too. Well, Boozhoo, Flat Earth Pals. Sweetie, we got a couple more Flat Earthers here. Yeah, that's awesome. So great to see you. There's an awakening. Like I've heard it said, they'll say, oh, the revolution will never be televised. And I think there's a lot more people who are waking up to the truth of a lot of different things. One of them being the hoax of space and globe Earth stuff. It's so tricky because, it's kind of brilliant to break up friendships over it. But being a flat earther is kind of like having left a cult. And everybody else who's still in the cult doesn't know they're in a cult. They go, no, what are you talking about? You just lost your mind. What do you mean you're leaving our cult? You must be crazy. It's like, no. I don't believe the things you have faith in anymore. Everybody in this cult believes and has faith in what the scientists have told them. They said the Big Bang, the Earth is a globe. History too. Oh yeah, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. They believe all that on faith. They're part of a cult. It's a religion. It's the world religion. That's probably the world religion, huh? You mean like from the Bible, saying end times is going to have a one world religion? Yeah. What if the one world religion was science? Not just like crazy, but just mainstream science. Yeah. This is a religion, a cult. Everybody's in. You've all been brainwashed. There are leaders and no proof of the thing, This isn't the physical sciences. This isn't mechanical engineering. Oh, you don't believe in science? Well, you're using a computer. It's like, no, that's something else. We're talking about space and evolution and gravity and everything you can never prove. That's all brainwashing that 100% of every flat earther used to be part of. It's like, yeah, wasn't born going, come on, I don't believe in your globe. This just happened a few years ago where I went, oh, wait, no, I got to leave this religion. Sorry, I'm quitting the church of scientism. But your family, they look at you and go, what? No, we're not part of a cult. Like, yeah, sorry. I can say you were because I was part of that. We were brainwashed. But I think a lot of people, for whatever reason, the fluoride's wearing off. Maybe it was the unintended consequences of the YouTube. But I think the truth is sneaking out, and people are going, what? Just like the moon landing or whatever. So, Bigfoot. Remember this video? This was one of the videos they allowed the mainstream to circulate. This came out when I was a little girl. I don't even remember where it was taken, Montana or somewhere. And forward and backwards. It's a lady Bigfoot, because she's got bosoms. Look at that. Yeah, man, she's got quite a rack. Yeah. Bigfoot. Subbay. To learn more about truth that is hidden from us, don't watch the Discovery Channel, for crying out loud. Subbay, SASQUACH, Bigfoot. Goyak honesty. Zakame, it won't let me post. Oh, here we go. Flat Earth question. Here. May I? Please. Can't go wrong with longer arms. Go for it, Zigzag. Zigzag. They're calling Zakame Zigzag. Robin says, we're programmed to believe everyone who is supposedly smarter than we are, even when we see things for ourselves. Exactly. I think science education is just to tell kids that there are people who understand math so much better than you do, that if they believe something, you should believe it too. And your common sense is worthless. You know, if you look up and you go, that looks like a blue dome. It looks like it doesn't look like an optical illusion to me. It looks like there's a blue dome. And at night, it looks like the sun going away, and now we can't see the blue dome, and it's black, and there's little white dots shining through. That's what it looks like to a kid. But a science teacher goes, no. There's nothing up there. You're not looking at anything. That you're looking forever. That's just black, nothing, it's nothing. It's not even black. It's not even, you're just looking forever into nothing. Those little lights, those are suns, like that big sun that went away. It didn't go away. We went away. We're on a globe. Flat Earth Pal says, I think that's Richie from Boston, not Sasquatch. Richie from Boston. I've heard of that guy. What do I know about Richie from Boston? I think I've watched some Richie from Boston videos. I think I like him. The COVID has been particularly stressful for the Flat Earth Society. Number one, Flat Earth Society is a disinformation website. No Flat Earthers belong to the Flat Earth Society. They fear social distancing measures will push someone over the edge. That's stupid, Papa Wagosh. There's no space. Flat Earthers don't believe we're living on a disk in outer space. That's part of the whole nonsense lie of evolution, the Big Bang, and the globe Earth. That's not outer space we're looking at. Those are tiny little dots of light, just like your eyes see. Everything NASA has ever said is a lie. Every picture is a fake picture. Oh, there's a picture of Pluto. No, it's not. It's a painting. Zagame. Natasha, I tried to ask the question, but it won't post it. Oh, it won't allow you to ask Flat Earth questions. That's so creepy, sweetie. I know. Oh, man. Flat Earth Society, too. Say what now? Yeah, Flat Earth Society. That's the disinformation thing. You know, they don't want people... It's put out so people will Google, what is Flat Earth? Oh, here we go, Flat Earth Society. And then they put up a bunch of dumb stuff that no Flat Earther believes. They say, oh, there's no gravity. We're on a disk that's moving upward. No, nobody thinks that. Nobody. It's more the deception. So Flat Earth Society too. Why is your name that? Oh, I bet you Flat Earth Society 2 is a disinformation. I wonder if this is like a bot. You think it's like artificial intelligence? Maybe. Okay, Flat Earth Society 2 says, I'm so confused. My head is spinning. My doctor says I have Coriolis, and he has an ointment for that. I'll keep you posted. I don't know what the Coriolis effect, yeah. I think we're getting trolled by Flat Earth Society people. Or Flat Earth disinformation. Whatever that is. That's so weird. We should get out of here. Did you want to go outside and say a little prayer? I could. I'm going to go outside for a second, you guys. And say a little prayer. Maybe put some tobacco. Yeah, okay. Gotta pray for the Flat Earthers. For the Flat Earth Society. You better pray I don't find you guys. No. Robin. Purposeful misinformation to make people look crazy. Exactly. And it works, you know. My family thinks I'm crazy. They don't want to hear it. If I say, yeah, no, I don't believe in that. What? You know, you see... Because what it is, that's part of the brainwashing too. When a person's programming gets triggered, this is why anybody else out there who's knows that the Earth isn't a globe. Number one, I get it. I'm sorry you've lost so many friends, you know. But don't get mad at your family when they call you crazy, when they mock you and laugh at you, and then say stuff like, don't tell anybody else you believe that. Nobody will ever take you seriously. You'll lose your job. They're not going to let you teach in a school if you don't believe the Earth is a globe. You're a crazy person. That's their programming speaking. Normal, reasonable person can listen to another point of view about anything. If you tell a person, you know what? I think we're all living in a dream. I bet you this is a computer simulation. People be like, yeah. I wonder, probably the Matrix, right? Yeah, cool. Let's stay friends. But then you go, I think they lied on purpose about outer space and the globe and the heliocentric model of the universe. To hide the existence of God, and we actually live on a flat plane with a dome, like the Bible says. People won't want to hang out with you. What? What are you, a conspiracy theorist? It's like, just listen to the information for a second. Don't question my mind just yet. Is it possible? You know, do you really trust Neil deGrasse Tyson so completely? But anyway, what was I doing, sweetie? We're going to go outside. Oh, right. One to teleport outside real quick. Okay. Wait. One to teleport. Oh, right. Make it so. Bloop. Okay, Boozhoo. Hi, sweetie. Oh, hi. I'm glad you made it out there. Yep. Give me a call. You want me to pick you up? I sure will. Roger that. Okay. Over and out. Over and out. Asema. Tobacco. Kitchimanadu. Takawi tukawishin. Way ni G Nanagoda Windaman. Geotapanaman inu. Gegash kikatosiwan. G Anji Sadoyan. Jide Apijide Ayan. G Anji Sadoyan. Gegash kikatoyan. Jide Apijidamwakayan. Chikindamanono. Apenge. Great Spirit, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. I don't know how much I can change or how much I even want to change people's opinions about the earth. Help me to accept that some people are just never gonna leave the cult that I left. Give me the courage to change the things I can. I almost feel like I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention this stuff, because it was such a big part of my life, giving up. When I gave up believing in space and the globe Earth model, I started believing in the Creator again. So sometimes I think, well, why should I stay quiet? If I tell people what happened to me, and it opened up their eyes, they'd find God too. So grant me the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. I'm just a little girl. I don't have any wisdom. Please help me know the right way to either talk about this stuff or don't talk about it. Are we supposed to be teaching more language? There's some people who get really annoyed. It's like, shut up with all your dumb jokes. We want to learn Ojibwe. So give me the wisdom to know, or just inspire me. Give me the wisdom to know what to say or what not to say. And, just kind of inspire me to do what I should do. I guess. Miigwech bisandawi gichimanadu. Thank you for listening.
Oh, me daughter, I'm more than happy to listen to you. Pray. Anytime you pray to me, I will listen.
Hi, Gichimanu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit.
Hello, Boozhoo crew. How are ye?
Yeah, so I just did that. That was the Serenity Prayer.
Yes, I know. I love to hear it from me favorite people in the world, the alcoholics.
They're your favorites?
You're all me favorites. But yeah, it's a lovely prayer.
Yeah. So what do you think? Should I talk about flat Earth stuff or not?
I wouldn't kill you. I mean, if it strikes your fancy, if it can make it funny, that's all I ask. As long as you can keep your show entertaining, funny, light, enjoyable for the Boozhoo crew to watch. We came here with our morning coffee, and we just want to smile and maybe learn a little of the Ojibwe language.
Is that why you come here? Are you trying to learn Ojibwe?
Me daughter, I invented Ojibwe. I am a fluent speaker.
Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting. You're a fluent speaker in all languages.
That's right. I am Gitchimanado. I am the Great Spirit.
Yeah. Well, I should probably go back.
All right. Well, I will see you again, me daughter. Gigawabamin, min. Minawa.
Gigawabamin, minawa. Gitchimanado. Gitchimanado, you guys. Good old Great Spirit. So anyway, yeah, I don't know. La la la. Because what is the other thing, you guys? This is a live show, so everything is kind of off the cuff, and I'm sort of relying on the Great Spirit to inspire me. And Nanaboozhoo. I should have asked for that too, to help inspire Nanaboozhoo and Michael Lyons. Let them know how to proceed. And actually, you guys too, If there's something you'd like to see more of or less of, let us know in the comments. Not that we ever read them, but... All right, everybody go back. Bloop.
Okay, Boozhoo.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey there, Natasha. Did you want me to pick you up?
Yeah, would you mind?
Not one bit.
All right, hold still. I'm going to scan for your coordinates.
All right.
All right, I got you. 1 to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1.
Hey, welcome back.
Thank you, sweetie. Well, you know what?
What's that?
I think it's about all the time we have for today.
Yep, that's about it.
Did you want to add anything?
Not too much.
Hey, everybody. Just want to say, Miigwech, Pissin' Dawiek. Thank you for listening to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, Neeman Wayndom, Omanungum. Thank you for listening to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. I am Natasha. Over here, tall, dark, and handsome. The star of the show, Nanaboozhoo.
Okay, Miigwech, Ganawabiag. Thank you for watching.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Loa. Sweetie.
1 to teleport.
Energize. Energize.
I got it. Okay, hold on.
You just gotta kind of wiggle the thingy.
Yep, wiggle the thingy. Push the button.
Gotta push the button and hold it.
Push the button and hold it. Oh, here we go. Boozhoo. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to support the show, if you would like to support Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, you can click in the links below. You can click the link to Patreon, to PayPal, to GoFundMe. And you can order Ojibwe language books by Michael Lyons by clicking the link to Amazon.com. But only if you believe. If you believe in Amazon.com. Many people say they've seen Amazon.com out here, Akuching. They say, oh, I've seen the footprints of Amazon.com. I do not know. I do not know. I'm not really into conspiracy theories. You know? I think if it were real, the mainstream media would tell us. That's what they do. That's their job. Who am I? I am Subbay. I am SASQUACH. I am Bigfoot. Goyakwa Dizzy-win. I am known for honesty and integrity. No, I don't know. Anyway, if you'd like to support the show, why don't you support the show already? You can click the link below. And now, Miigwech, Miigwech, Miigwech. I tell you thank you 3 times. That means I really mean it.